What's up, people? This is your Satish and today is a windy day.
Cut.
And today is 23rd of July, Sunday, 2017. Welcome to Kharghar. This is 8:30 in the morning and I and a friend of mine are going for a quick run / walk to a nearby waterfall. It's a treat and then some. It's raining. I'm trying to cover the camera so it doesn't die. Okay, look at this. And that over there is my friend Pooja. She has decided she doesn't want to get wet today. That is Pooja. This is just a stone's throw away from the place where I live. I don't know why I never came here before. बच्चा लोग This is what happens when you get up and you don't remember where did you come from. That was incredible. Holy crap, I'm so tired, I'm so hungry. This is 10:30, I still haven't had my breakfast. Also the camera's about to die, I need to do something about it. Also, let's find a place to eat. Also, why is it raining again? Oh my god. It's raining cats and dogs once again. This was like, oh, it went down. It was raining literally too hard. Like, the wind almost blew my umbrella off. These doggies here were scared. They were very scared about the rain and the wind. Sometimes Mumbai rains can go haywire. With the rain falling so hard, I don't have many options other than McDonald's to go to, because McDonald's is literally under the porch. And then the same porch in which I'm standing, we'll go there. Waking up on a Sunday morning for this was so worth it. Let's grab a quick breakfast. And then the second part of the day begins. Thanks. It's just 11:30ish in the morning, and this is the second time the battery has died on this camera. It's not the camera's fault, it's my fault actually. I've been recording a lot and capturing a lot of... It's hot. I was trying to take a time lapse of this place actually. It's right outside the window of McDonald's where I'm eating. Whew, that was not a very quick breakfast, but it's fine. It's 11:30 and I should go and grab a quick shower because I'm all still quite drenched. A little bit of the vlog update. This is 4:15 in the afternoon. Ever since I came back from McDonald's, I've been working. So I have this friend called Nivedita. She came in this vlog. I'll leave the cards here to that vlog. So she used to work at Teach for India as a fellow. Her fellowship just got over, and so she's moving to Hyderabad. She's leaving Mumbai in a few days. It's a project that we are working on together that I'm supposed to give her today. I was working on it. Majority of editing is done. A bit of color grading and exporting is left. I really doubt my Mac will be able to export it today because there's a lot of videos and the MacBook Air is simply not powerful enough. So the update is getting back to work. So right now it is 5:20 in the evening. I'm going to see a friend. By the way, the song that I'm listening to is Come Walk With Me Now with Congos by Congos. Congos is I don't know, I came to know about them just yesterday, the song yesterday. It's quite good, right? So this is 5:22 p.m. and I'm going to have a casual hangout and dinner with this girl. She is Sayandika.
Hey. So they're out of the vanilla ones, I think. Only one? Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
I'll take a hazelnut.
Okay.
What are you
One
trying?
hazelnut.
What are you taking?
What do you recommend? This one, yeah. Lavender. We'll take one lavender, one vanilla raspberry, and one hazelnut.
Hazelnut, yeah.
Yeah, we'll have it here.
Yeah. Alright, why do I talk about it? Why don't you talk about it? Yeah, tell people about this.
Okay, so these are macarons from Le 15 Patisserie. It's a very famous bakery here in Mumbai and they make amazing macarons. So this is the vanilla raspberry macaron. This is lavender. This is the hazelnut. So we just decided to take the best of the best. So yeah, he's taking the hazelnut. I'm taking this.
Wow.
Too good.
So we were just discussing about how I, at some point of time, would give up everything and start a coffee shop. And how you are like, yeah, I may do that too.
I think it's a great idea. It's marvelous.
We already have the name for the coffee shop.
Yeah.
See, Starbucks is where great ideas happen. They already gave us the name for the coffee shop. Seems like we have a power cut in the area near my house. You can hear the generator there is roaring. I don't know if you can hear or not, but it is. Also, there's no street lights because there's a power cut. I hope my place doesn't have a power cut because that would be terrible. Right now all you can see is because this flash from my phone. The medical store is open. I'll grab some water. So it turns out the backup generators at my society have kicked on, which means I have electricity for right now. This is what, 11:30 p.m, 11:30 at night. I'm very exhausted, all oily and sticky and I'll go and take a shower and then I'll take a nap. It's time to end the vlog. Thanks for watching.